Hi there, friends. Happy New Year. The Fluff and I wanted to share with you today a breathing practice called Kapalabhati, or sometimes it's called Shiny Skull. So this is a very cleansing breath, as you can imagine from the name, but it's a great way to kind of clear the lungs out if you've had a little respiratory gunk. I am at the tail end of that crud that has unfortunately been making the rounds, but this is a really good way to oxygenate your body again, just get things moving and flowing. Helps to gently stimulate your metabolism also, so it can be a nice, gentle, easy detox, especially here at the beginning of the year, getting rid of all of those yummies, not always so healthy things that we enjoyed over the holidays. But I hope that you did enjoy them while you were eating them. So you may want to have some tissues close by. This can get things cleared up. And so to get you started, if you've never done this before, Kapalabhati is sort of a forced exhale, drawing the belly muscles in. Now we'll be doing that through the nose, but we'll just sort of find that here through the mouth a few times. And a very relaxed inhale. So to begin, we'll breathe in through the nose and out with that quick exhale through the mouth, drawing the belly muscles in. The Fluff isn't too sure about this one. So just take a moment first to close your eyes. Bring both hands to your knees, whether you're seated in a chair or on the floor. Lengthen your spine, lift into your heart, soften your shoulders down your back, and just begin to take a few deep, slow, easy breaths. Maybe in through your nose and out through your nose or your mouth. Releasing whatever you don't need in this moment. Feeling your hips reaching down into the support of the earth beneath you. And just begin to find a soft, easy pace of your breath, relaxing your mind, quieting your heart, and just arriving here in this moment. Beautiful. Gently blinking your eyes open. Place one hand over your lower belly. And we'll just do a little practice round here together. So breathing in through your nose and out with a quick exhale through your mouth. Again, in and out. Keep going. We'll do 3 more. Beautiful. Relax for a moment. And you can actually keep your hand on your belly. That might be helpful to feel the action of this breathing. We're going to do the same thing now, breathing in and out through the nose. And you'll catch on quite quickly here. So let's just take a breath to clear the way. Inhaling. Just exhale soft and easy. And here we go. Join me. And breathe deeply in and slowly out. I'll just take a moment and notice how you feel. It's very common to feel a little lightheaded after doing this. There's a lot of fresh oxygen moving into our bodies. So let's take another deep breath. We're going to do another round here. We're going to go just a little bit longer this time. Deep inhale, long, slow exhale. And here we go, breathing in. breathe deeply in and slowly out. And just take a couple more nice, deep, easy breaths. Notice how you feel. Relax back into the natural pace of your breathing. And as you're ready, gently blink your eyes open. Beautiful, good work. So this is a practice that you can gradually build in the length of time that you're doing. And so kind of a traditional way to work with this would be to do a round of 100 quick breaths. You certainly don't need to start that way. So maybe just starting off with 20 quick breaths, taking a few slow breaths in between. Do another round of 20 or maybe add, as we just did, a second 20. So we did 20 breaths the first time. We did 40 breaths the second time. So you can build your way into that and just enjoy that feeling of clarity that it brings and maybe a little bit more breathing room. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Namaste.